In this video, you will learn how to make tree map chart in Microsoft Excel. These charts are used to display hierarchical data. As you can see, this data. In this data, there are different years, and I want to compare the rainfall in different months of these 3 years. So I have made this tree map chart. These tree map chart are used for those hierarchical data in which few categories are used, and when you have more categories, then it is recommended that you should use this sunburst chart instead of this tree map chart. So let's start uh, how you can create this tree map chart in Microsoft Excel. You can see here I have already entered the data in separate sheet. So first we select this data. Go to insert tab, and here you find option tree map chart. Select this one, resize this, change the title, change its font size. You can also change this one, this. Now we will start formatting of this tree map chart. This whole chart is called tree map, and these are these small rectangulars which are called its branches. So you can easily compare by area of this rectangle that which rectangle shows more rainfall and which shows less rainfall. If you select this one, right click, go to format data series. In series option you will find three options. For example, if I select overlapping, then this will show this type of data. If I select banner, then these here will be displayed on upper side, and if you select none, then it will display like this. So I will select overlapping. Next, go to 3D option. You can also select 3D option from this. In shadow, I will select this one to give it 3D shape. Next, go to fill and line shape option. There is a drawback in this graph. If you select solid fill, you will see here that the all rectangular color is changed. So for instance, I will select automatic color fill. In border lines, you can select solid lines, and I will select black instead of white and change its width. Now if you change these colors, then you can use another option which is available in page layout. From here you can go to color and customize color, and you can select any color from this. I have selected red, green and blue, which is displayed here, and you can click on save, then this color scheme will be saved and you can use it in this chart. I have already saved it, so I will not save it. Additionally, Colors are also available in default. You can see here you can change color from these using these colors. Quick layouts are also available. You can also explore these options. Next I will change this font size. Firstly change its color to black, 12, and bold. Next right click, go to format data series, and I also want the values of rainfall in this chart. Check this, and separator is used as comma. You can also use other separator which are available here, semicolon, period, or new line, whatever you want. So you can see here we have completed the formatting of this graph. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.